In a high-level diplomatic interaction, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron held talks in Mumbai aimed at substantially strengthening and expanding the strategic partnership between India and France. The summit, described by both leaders as a special global strategic partnership, underscored the deepening strategic, economic and defense collaboration between the two democracies against the backdrop of global geopolitical volatility. The upgraded partnership reflects shared democratic values, strategic autonomy, and an expanding agenda that goes far beyond traditional defense ties, encompassing trade, technology, innovation, energy, aerospace, critical minerals, and people-to-people exchanges. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that the partnership is a force for global stability, and both sides agreed that cooperative action is essential to confront rising global uncertainties and modern security challenges. Defense Pact renewal and extended cooperation. India and France renewed their comprehensive defense cooperation agreement for another 10 years, a move signaling long-term strategic intent. As part of this renewal, the two militaries agreed to reciprocal deployment of army officers, aiming to bolster interoperability and joint operational understanding. This renewal marks a deepening of defense ties at a time when India is actively diversifying its defense partnerships beyond traditional suppliers, a shift noted by analysts as an effort to expand strategic autonomy. Joint production of Hammer missiles. A major milestone of the defense dialogue was the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding to jointly manufacture Hammer precision-guided missiles in India, under a joint venture between Bharat Electronics Limited and France's Safran Electronics and Defense. The Hammer system, known for its accuracy and adaptability as an air-to-ground weapon, will be produced in India, aligning with the Make in India initiative and enhancing indigenous defense manufacturing capabilities. Rafale fighter jets and localization push. While the definitive government-to-government contract for the long-anticipated acquisition of an additional 114 Dassault Rafale fighter jets for the Indian Air Force (IAF) remains to be formally signed, recent high-level talks and official clearances indicate growing momentum toward finalizing a multi-billion-dollar mega Rafale deal valued at roughly 3.25 lakh rupees crore under India's strategic Make in India framework, with New Delhi pushing strongly for expansive localization, comprehensive technology transfer, and broad